Lam Research makes the tools that makes the chips for electronic devices.
Then it sells it to customers.
Like a phone,
Laptop.
And that camera that you're using.
it's basically all the technology.
It seems like hard work.
Is here good?
What do I say? Is the video even starting yet?
I don't want to be in the middle.
Are you ready for your first question?
Yes.
Works in Lam Research and
In the
makes the
VMO.
machine and makes the machine. I think she's like in the background or something like that.
Yeah.
He just
Drinks coffees
and
talks
talks
to
to other
friends.
She used to do financing, and then she stopped, and then she got promoted to CEO, I think.
They even protect the bottom of their shoe. Like, you want to protect the bottom of your shoe? You just take off your shoe.
Easy as peasy. Thank you for bringing us here, Dad. It was nice of you to bring us here.
Thanks, Mom, for working really hard.
Seems like she has a pretty good time working here, so it's nice because she's happy.
You're good at your job and what you do. There's good food, so don't get fired.
He's a great worker, and I want to be like him when I grow up.
You need to take a break.
A break? No, you say you work very hard and you do a really good job.
Yeah, I would say the same thing.
Is the video starting yet? I would just like to say I love you and thank you for all the work that you've been doing for our families. And I'm glad you picked this job. The video's already done?
Yeah, we're done.
What? Okay.
You guys were amazing.
Thank you. Okay. I want to see that.